today I am back for a new video. As you can see, this is not the same background as I'm in my parents' house, and also I needed the living room for this video. So today I'm going to share with you a part of my Sunday routine. I think taking care of yourself is really important. Sunday is really the best day for doing it. I'm going to show you a bit of my yoga station. I am really new at doing it. I think I do it since a month now and it's really good, and I have like really good feeling after doing that. This is really nice for the body, so this is a kind of self-care routine. At the end of the video I'm going to show you a new afternoon snack that I tried to make myself. So if you want to see it, keep watching.
So you start in the position called dog head down. You take a deep inspiration and a good expiration. Then you lift your right leg and open the hip by bending the knee. Then you bring the knee forward and join both of your legs. During inspiration and expiration, you go close to your legs and fold them. Then you stretch them. You take a good breath. Get up and put your arms up to the sky. I'm sorry that you can't see my face, but my little kitten moved my camera and I didn't notice it. So you bend the left leg to put it on the top of the other. Then you flex and you cross the arms if you like. Then you keep the position. Then you sit down. Your right leg is tense and your left is folded on top of it. You turn your chest towards your left leg. Then you roll back and forth to relax, twice if you like. Then you take the chair position. You put your left leg split back position. Then open your arms and stretch behind your back. So you come back and do the same. Forward the front. You just take a deep breath. Then you go back again. And you join your arms behind your back and you stretch them. So you go in front and stretch. You put your hands on the ground and take the slot position. After that, you put your right hand toward the sky. Then the board position. You lift your right leg and then the left. You push your body forward. You take a big inspiration, then you push your chest back. Then back with the first position. You do all the same with the other leg or other side. So here is my kitten show. I didn't even notice that she was here before editing the video, trust me. But don't worry, I didn't sit on her. She moved at the moment I sit. So now you're going to take your energy back with the child position. Then dog head down again, then the board. Then on the floor you leave your left hand and arm in front of your head on the ground or floor. Then you bend your left knees and catch the foot with your hand. You do the same with the other leg and both at the same time. Then you swing your knees from right to left, back to board and dog head down. Now you just lie down on the floor to rest for a few minutes and the session is done. After a good session like this, I love having a nice shower and then wear some really comfy clothes and eating something nice during the afternoon around 4 p.m. or around that hour, and then watch some series. Here I was watching Pretty Little Liars, which is the second time I'm watching it, but I absolutely love it. And I love having a really nice position and comfy in my couch and with my plaid. As you can see, it was raining and a really awful weather day, so that was the perfect day for doing this routine. So this is the recipe I tried before, which is a banana muffin. It was so good. Let me know in the comment section if you would like maybe to see a video of me trying to make this recipe again and to share this recipe with you, which is so nice.
So that was my Sunday self-care routine. I hope you like it and I hope you're gonna try it if you don't do any routine or any yoga, because this is really relaxing and I really advise you to try it. I hope you really like it. You can leave a comment down below and tell me what is your favorite thing to do in a Sunday. I don't know, maybe watching some movies or some stuff like that. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'm going to see you in another video very soon. Bye!